Hope you're doing great. My name is Nikita Gupta. I'm a manifestation coach, money nervous system coach, and also hypnotherapist. Today, I will be talking about how you can upgrade your money frequency and how you can manifest good amount of money in your life. Even if you don't able to manifest the money, but how you can upgrade your frequency so that even if you don't have money right now, how you can feel abundant, how you can feel rich without money. If you feel the things, if you started feeling and if you started upgrading the frequency of millionaire being successful, you automatically started attracting the opportunities which actually help you to align with your frequency. So let's work on upgrading your frequency rather than just manifesting only money. Money is an energy, and all the energy carries certain frequency. So before manifesting any money, let's work on upgrading your frequency. Have you noticed that there are a lot of people, even if you have been experiencing the same thing, you're able to manifest the money, but you cannot sustain that money for a long time. And whenever you dreamt of earning certain amount of money, you just having a lot of fear, a lot of self-doubt, and certain kind of a feeling and emotion which actually pulls you back, even thinking about that money, thinking about that big number in your mind. Also, you have noticed that, sometimes you suddenly got the opportunity, like you just attract your dream job. And after attracting the dream job, even you're not happy, and over a period of time you just resist, you just self sabotage that opportunity, and finally you quit the job or you've been laid off from that opportunity. All these experiences shows that you don't have a good relationship with money. Your nervous system is not healed, and it's very important to heal your nervous system to create that comfort, to create that frequency, to manifest that amount of money in your life. Even thinking of earning 1 lakh rupees per month is just a big deal for you. In your mind it just feel impossible, and whenever you're dreaming and whenever you're manifesting that amount in your life, you just feel that you feel fear, you just get anxious about it. So it's very important, rather than just physically manifesting the money, you have to do a lot of internal work. Even today, if you're not earning money, but if you upgrade the frequency, if you have a frequency of millionaire, if you have the frequency already being successful, you started aligning the same energy and you started aligning with the same opportunities in your life. So don't focus on attracting that dream job. Don't focus on being earning certain amount from your business. I want you to first heal your money trauma. I want you to first heal your nervous system, so that whenever the money comes to you, you are comfortable about it and you can sustain that money. Attracting the thing is possible, but sustaining the things for the long term is very important. And if you have lot of self doubts, you have lot of limiting beliefs, your nervous system is not comfortable about it, you have lot of fear, self doubt, you already resist that opportunity, and in the future you will be losing that opportunity. So don't manifest until you heal. First, heal your money nervous system. That's very, very important. And upgrade your money thermostat. That's very important. So, today I will be sharing a very powerful technique that is called as quantum healing. Some people also said it as Ho'oponopono. So, with the help of Ho'oponopono, I will be helping you to heal your money traumas, upgrade your money frequency so that you can attract opportunities, and also you can feel comfortable about that opportunity, and you can sustain that opportunity for a longer time. So let's work on it today. I want you to sit in a comfortable place and I want you to practice every day, because healing is not just about one day journey. Healing is completely, you have to work internal work. Whatever belief you have, whatever trauma you have, and whatever fear you haven't developed in just one day. It comes it it have been created over a period of time. So to break that limiting belief, to release that fear, we have to do a lot of practice. So practice is required. This is very, very important and it's non negotiable. You have to practice it every day. And also, I want you to share the results, what kind of a results you will be getting after practicing it. So, quantum healing, sit in a comfortable place, relax yourself, have a glass of water first, just calm down and just relax yourself. I want you to close your eyes and whatever feeling and whatever negative vibration you have, I want you to release that with the help of deep breathing technique. I want you to practice this breathing technique and visualize while breathing. Whenever you're inhaling, I want you to visualize a golden light is coming from the universe and is entering inside you. Whatever negative emotion and negative vibration you're feeling right now, you're exhaling it from your mouth. Inhale and observe that golden light is going inside you. And wherever that trauma, wherever that blockage is, wherever that pain you're feeling inside your body, that is releasing while you're exhaling from your mouth. Do one more time. Inhale. Inhale from your nose. And just imagine this golden light is entering all part of your body through your nose, neck, chest, heart, everywhere it's being entering. It's releasing all the emotion, it's releasing all the pain. Whatever blockages, whatever trauma, whatever negative emotion you've been storing, it's just releasing as you exhale. Exhale from your mouth. Just see this light changing the color while you're exhaling. It's been carrying all the negative emotion, negative trauma. Give that trauma, give that pain any color of your choice, like black, blue, any color. And while you're exhaling, just see that color is releasing from your mouth and it's taking away all the trauma, all the toxic emotion, all the guilt, all the fear. And now we are starting the healing. We are starting the quantum healing now. Close your eyes, take a deep breath. Keep your hands in your heart and just repeat with me. I am sorry, money. Please forgive me, money. Thank you, money. I love you, money. I take 100% responsibility. Whatever financial problem, whatever money problem I have manifested consciously and unconsciously in my life, I take 100% responsibility for earning money and losing money both. I'm sorry, money. Please forgive me, money. I am sorry, money. Please forgive me, money. Thank you, money. I love you, money. I take 100% responsibility for achieving goals and for failing my financial goals both. I take 100% responsibility for my current financial problem. It is not happening to me. I have created it. I take 100% ownership of my current money situation. I take 100% responsibility because whatever is happening in my financial life is my creation, is my attraction. I am sorry for having bad relationship with money. I'm sorry for feeling that making money is difficult. Making big money is impossible. I am sorry for feeling that making money is wrong. Making money make me a bad person, make me an evil person, and it is very difficult to earn money. I am sorry for thinking small about money. I am sorry for thinking small about myself while making money. Please forgive me. Please forgive me, dear universe, for thinking bad about those people who are money minded. Please forgive me for feeling bad about money. Please forgive me for feeling bad about myself, for feeling bad about money minded for myself. Please forgive me, money, for not focusing on you and feeling bad when someone calls me money minded. Please forgive me for thinking that I am small. Please forgive me for not letting myself think big about money. Please forgive me, money, for carrying lot of limiting belief, lot of trauma and lot of fear. Thank you, dear money, for being in my life, for always supporting me in my day-to-day life, for always helping me with my basic necessities, even though I disrespect you, even though I've been carrying lot of negative emotion towards you. Thank you, dear money, for everything. Thank you, money, whatever you have done to me already. Thank you, dear money, for coming in my life in abundance. Thank you, dear money, for making me millionaire. Thank you, dear money, for making people around me millionaires. Because they deserve it as much as I deserve it. Because now I believe at the energy level we all are one. Thank you, dear money, for making those people rich who are not able to pay me back. Thank you for making them so rich that they can easily able to pay my money back. Thank you for making them so rich so that I am able to share money with such people easily. Thank you, dear money. Thank you. Thank you, dear money, for making me so rich that I am able to share money with those people easily. Thank you, dear money, for making me so big that making money is very easy for me. Today I declare, money, I love you. I have love relationship with you. I love you that the way you come to me, and I'm ready to accept you in every form. When you come to me in small forms, in big forms, I love you, money. When money comes to me from this direction, that direction, from all the direction, I'm ready to accept you. Love you, dear money. That is why I am so careful with you. And I can manage you because I value you. I love you, dear money, for abundantly making other people so rich. The more I'm happy for them, the more we all are rich. I love you, money, for even going away from me sometimes. Because sometimes you are making other people rich through me. Today, right now, all the people in my past who have hurt me directly or indirectly and hurt me financially, today I take 100% responsibility for attracting them in my life, for doing whatever I have done to create that frequency in my life. Thank you to all of you for coming and teaching me a lesson about money. I know I needed this lesson. Today I choose to forgive all those people in my past who cheated me, and supported me in making money. I choose to say, I love you because whether the money comes to you through me or whether the money comes to me through you, both is fine because now I realize money is an energy and there is lot of money, there is unlimited money in the universe, and I'm ready to attract, I'm ready to manifest all the money in my life. I'm ready to attract the frequency of millionaire. I'm ready to release the blockages, the negative emotion which I've been carrying for a very long time. I'm comfortable in attracting and manifesting a lot of money in my life. I'm comfortable in being millionaire. I'm comfortable spending money and attracting money both. I am comfortable in respecting money because now I realized I have a love relationship with money. Thank you, universe, for giving me this opportunity to release all this negative emotion, all this trauma, and upgrading the frequency of millionaire and attracting and manifesting a lot of money in my life. I am ready to manifest a lot of money now. Imagine the door from the universe is getting open. There is a golden light which is coming from the universe and is healing you from inside, is clearing the blockages from inside, and just see universe is showering all the money, all the love to you, and you are ready to manifest all the love in your life. Just imagine yourself as a millionaire. Imagine yourself what you will be doing after attracting a lot of money in your life. Where are you traveling? How are you spending that money? How are you treating that money frequency after becoming millionaire? Just imagine yourself. Imagine all your goals are fulfilled. All the dreams are fulfilled and you've already become millionaire. You have upgraded yourself to a millionaire frequency. All the possibilities of money, all the possibilities of being millionaire you have attracted in your life. Just imagine yourself and now say, I choose to attract abundance. I choose to attract a lot of money in my life because I am a money magnet. I'm ready to manifest money in my life because I deserve it. I love and respect money. I love spending money. I love receiving money comfortably because I believe money is an energy. The more I give, the more I receive. I'm a millionaire. Thank you, universe, for giving me this opportunity to heal myself and release all the blockages related to money. Once again, repeat with me, I am sorry. Please forgive me, money. Thank you, money. I love you, money. I am sorry, money. Please forgive me, money. Thank you, money. I love you, money. I'm sorry, money energy. Please forgive me, money energy. Thank you, money energy. I love you. I love you. And I'm openly attracting you in my life. I'm ready to manifest you in my life. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry, money. Please forgive me, money. Thank you, money. I love you, money. I am sorry, money. Please forgive me, money. Thank you, money. I love you, money. I am sorry, money. Thank you, money. Love you, money. I am sorry, money. Please forgive me, money. Thank you, money. I love you, money. Take a deep breath and imagine whatever negative blockages you have, whatever emotion is being storing inside your body, it's being released. Your nervous system is healed. Now you're comfortable in attracting and manifesting lot of money in your life. Slowly open your eyes with a bright smile and just imagine yourself as a millionaire. Create a posture, create a body language of a millionaire and look yourself as a millionaire. Visualize yourself as a millionaire. Have a body language of a millionaire. Okay, so this is a money manifestation. This is a money nervous system healing technique. You can work on this and it will help you to manifest good amount of money in your life. I want you to practice this every day. This is very powerful. You will you will be getting amazing results if you practice it every day, and it will help you to clear all the blockages, all the energy which is stopping you to manifest a money in your life. It will help you to release everything. So this is all for today. Thank you